if you're having errors installing the new release of Windows 11 22H2 and you want to know what are the current settings to resolve those errors, this video is for you. So let's look at the correct settings. I've already installed this and I already have it working. And so we'll just look at the different settings. So secure, enable secure boot, you leave that. Do not trouble that. What you're supposed to enable is trusted platform module. In regards to the memory, ensure that you change the default from 1024 to 4096. It's recommended to use 2 virtual processors. And finally, check the settings of your NIC to ensure that you have connected a adapter that a virtual switch that actually has internet on it. And once you've done all of those settings, that is it. Hopefully this video was helpful. Goodbye.